Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Izzy Wonderland and I've gotten this request for this look specifically, and I'm actually really excited because sometimes when you don't feel like wearing a lot of makeup but you want to look fresh and awake and all that, and you want a little, you know what I'm saying, this video is for you. I've gotten a lot of requests on this look, this specific look. This is more for the ladies who do not wear a lot of makeup. Oh Lord, this man is using the... Okay, so I've already toned my skin and moisturized, and I'm just gonna do a little extra. I'm using the Thayer's Facial Mist Witch Hazel Rose Petal. I just want to, you know, make it simple for you. Maybe 4 to 5 items that you really don't need both. You can actually take away the concealer and just use your foundation. So all you're gonna need is foundation. This Peach Perfect, it has like the pore refining technology, and I usually use like 2 concealers for brows and under eye because I got some bags under there. And mascara. This is Ruby Kiss multifunctioning mascara, which I found at the hair store. I love me some hair store. And then a bronzer. So I'm using a highlighter. Please don't get intimidated. You don't have to buy any high-end products to do this look or any look. Makeup is universal and it is for everybody. So let's just have fun with it and don't take it too serious. If you mess up, you just keep going, right? So here we go. First, I'm gonna apply my foundation, and you can use a brush, but I'm gonna use my Real Techniques beauty sponge. If you do not want too much like of a cakey feel, you can also use a CC cream. It's more like a moisturizer with a little tint to it. The one that I have used that I like is MAC's BB cream. So if you don't want it to be too much, then you could just skip this step. But listen, I need some concealer. So I'm using NYX's Studio Photogenic Concealer. Woo, girl, we looking awake. By the way, I'm gonna do another video on this, but I have been drinking a gallon of water every day, and I have noticed a huge difference in my under eye being so dark. So that is pretty good. Okay, so we're done with that step. You can add powder. I really don't add powder. I just go straight to bronzing. So you want to use like a, you know, you can use like a fluffier brush, but I like to use this. It's a little bit more precise. And what you're doing, some people like to contour and, you know, for shaping their face, but this is more for like the glowing of the skin. So I'm just gonna go right here where my cheekbones are at, and like I always put a little bit of bronzer here. It just gives it more of a warmth to your face after you put like foundation. So I'm just going right here. Yes, honey, and I put a little bit here. But I like to use a little bit of blush. I'm just gonna use like an orangey brownish color. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm going on the apples of my cheeks. And sometimes if you feel like it's too much, you just wanna get another brush and blend it out. Ooh, girl. And next for the face, I'm gonna do my favorite part. I'm grabbing Becca's Champagne Pop. This one is Holding On for Dear Life, but it's my favorite. And you just want to highlight the tops of your cheekbones. And I put a little bit here. You want that glowing effect, as if the sun was hitting your face. Some people don't like this step, so you could just skip that. And you could use a bigger brush, but I don't know, I'm just getting a little brush and just adding it right there. Honey. We're gonna do a little drama to the eyes. So what you want to do is get a little bit of like a soft brown color, and you want to use a fluffy brush. Okay, and then with my finger, I'm just gonna grab a like shimmery beige color, and I'm just gonna pat it in the inner corner. See the difference? Like it just kind of wakes up the face. Okay, and the last step for your lips, you can either do a gloss. Like I love gloss, but usually if I want a little a little pop of color for natural makeup looks, I'll use like a pink, and then I'll put a little bit of like gloss on top. I'm using Please Me. This is my day one from MAC. Use a little bit of Oyster Girl. You could just use like a clear gloss. I just want a little tiny bit of and I'll put it in the center of my lips. And that is my natural everyday look. Now my everyday look is a little bit more dramatic, but I feel like this is very simple. You could skip a few of these steps, but you just want a little bit of glow. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first beauty video in a long time, but please subscribe and leave me some comments below of looks that you want to see. I already have a list of stuff that people have requested. I'm super excited for everything that is to come to Izzy Wonderland channel, and I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Peace. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it.